Morning YouTube, here we go again. This time I'm walking from Kanangra National Park at the Kanangra Walls through to Katoomba. It's about a 50k hike. Hoping to do it over 2 nights. Got all my gear in the back there. Yeah, beautiful view to start it off, check it out. So guys, that's Mount Cloudbreaker in the distance. I'll be going along this ridge and then up to Mount Cloudbreaker, then down to the Cox River. And then yeah, eventually to Katoomba. Let's get there. We're getting there now, making our way down. Down the hill we go. Whee! Down the hill we go. Just traversed down there, came across here, and then here we are. Still beautiful, still going. By the way, today's meant to be about 14 degrees with a low of 4. So yeah, it's going to be good. Thank you very much. There we can see Mount Cloudbreaker up in the distance. So I'm going to walk from over here, and down there, then up to Cloudbreaker. Yeah. Tell you what, the track is very overgrown. Good though. Hey guys, we're currently on top of Mount High and Might. Yeah, not a bad view. Still a ways to go yet. Going up and up. Mount Cloudbreaker. Well guys, we made it. Summit of Mount Cloudbreaker. It's been about 4.5 hours. I've drunk a litre of water. Ooh, got a little bit of rain before. Oh, it's very nice though. Check it out. Sign your name in the book. Bit of summit action. Well guys, the infamous Dex Creek. Unfortunately, there's no water. She ain't flowing. There is a few stagnant little parts, but yeah, no water. Just in here, it's the only water there is. And yeah, it doesn't look too appetizing. So yeah, just goes to show, make sure you bring enough water, people. Morning guys, it's the next morning now. Just taken off. I've got about 4 kilometres to get to the Cox River. Really steep terrain, so yeah, looking forward to that. And yeah, it should only take a few hours and hopefully be able to fill up my water sources. Yep, see it's down there. What a beautiful, foggy, cold morning. Left camp at 7 AM. Right, I'm going before I trip up. For anyone that wants to attempt this walk, a large part of it is bushbacking, guys. There isn't much of a track. It's through some really bad parts as well, so just keep mindful and be good at navigating. Because yeah, you can get disorientated pretty bloody easy. Over and out. Kilometres after kilometres of bushbashing. Oh. It is no joke. all the bushfire damage. They never redid the track, so yeah, still loving it. Well, here we are, found a nice rocky outcrop. Unfortunately for me last night it was pissing down rain, so I am soaking wet from all the bush bashing, but I'll show you where we're going. So there's that ridge up ahead, and we're going up there and across and then down to the Cox River. But like I said, there's no tracks. It's just hit the bush running. Fuck yeah! Oh, that's an hour in. Just on top of some ridge here. Yeah. Beautiful view. Well, 3 hours in, but I can finally see the Cox River. It's going to be a steep trip down, but I can't wait to get there and fill up. Oh. Oh, I'm telling you, that was hardcore. I literally have a few sips of water left out of the 4 litres, so got to be careful. Oh, the river. Oh, the river. Oh, beautiful. Oof, well, made it to the top of Mount Yellow Dog. Ooh, that's pretty good. Fair hill we went up. Check it out now. See Kanangra walls in the distance where we came from. Like there somewhere. Oh, off to Mob's Soak for to camp. Hey guys, this is Mob's Soak camping area. I've been calling it Mob's Swamp. Yeah, not a bad spot. I'll go down and check if there's any water around, but yeah, have a look. Mob's Soak. Well, Mob's Soak is pretty bloody dry also. One patch of water there, that's it. Don't know how stagnant it's going to be. Morning YouTubers. Time is now 6:33. I'm all packed up. Going to head my way back into Katoomba today. It's about 20 kilometres up that way. Up the mountains. Yeah, hopefully get there in a few hours, or I don't know, 4 or 5 hours, and yeah, head home. But all packed up and gonna miss whole Mob's Soak campsite. Let's roll. Oh, onto a fire trail now. Make sure you turn left. And we have Kanangra walls off in the distance. Ooh, over there. 2 hours in, almost near Taurus Ladder, is it? Yeah, just looking at the view. Not far away from Narrow Neck Ridge. And the infamous Taurus Ladder. Yeah, let's charge on. With a view from the top. Brings back memories. The old golden staircase. Well guys, that's it. Ooh, the K2K hike. 50 kilometres, 2 nights, 3 days. It's a bloody ripper. Bloody ripper. And I guess I'll see ya on the next bloody one.